My first event was Mr. and Miss Charity Kisumu. So when I started the journey, it was so difficult. For the first time, I even had to give up on the way because I needed a lot of things, and by then I was just this little girl with no money, and no one supported me. Even my mom never supported me. So for the first time, I gave up. But the next time I pulled up my socks, I tried everything I can, and I went to the runway, and that was where my victory started to begin. Yeah.
So was it the county staff, or what was that?
Yeah, it was the county staff. Yeah, then I moved to Nakuru. So when I came to Nakuru, I saw this poster of Miss Face of Nakuru. I think it was on my friend's status. Then I took the number and contacted the number. Then I met this beautiful lady called Hadasa. She was the one behind the organization. She explained to me everything. Then I went for the audition. Luckily enough, I passed the audition. Then I went for the main competition.
Main competition.
Yeah.